trusted maintenance services business, Brisbane metro area, Queensland. This business is perfect for a husband and wife team, or could be substantially expanded to take on more staff. Phillip Out Services provides a range of maintenance services for body corporates, real estate agents, building managers and domestic clients. The business rapidly grew from a garden and handyman service to a recognised name in the industry, employing several staff. A one-stop shop for gardening and cleaning services, this is a unique business within the body corporate maintenance services pool. Offering variety and flexibility, this opportunity includes a solid client base, sourced through reputation and word of mouth. The business has had multiple opportunities in the pipeline to expand, but has not pursued them to date. These opportunities include extending the service area to include Redland Bay, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, and more. It would also be beneficial to increase social media marketing and create a web page for greater exposure and online bookings.